Today, the corporate network isn't just one building anymore. It's plants, job sites, city offices, and remote users, often connected over the internet. That's why we're rolling out a security upgrade, ThreatLocker Network Control. Credential theft is one of the biggest risks organizations face, and while MFA is essential, attackers can still bypass it through token theft or social engineering. So we're adding device trust. ThreatLocker Network Control is a centrally managed endpoint firewall for workstations and servers. It lets us control which devices can connect to which systems, whether users are on-site or remote. Even if a hacker gained credentials and bypassed MFA, they still wouldn't be able to access network resources from an unknown device because they don't have an authorized ThreatLocker device. We'll implement this in phases, baseline your needs, run a pilot, then roll out in waves. The goal is simple, stronger security without slowing down production or public services. If you'd like a quick overview of timeline and impact for your environment, reach out and we'll walk you through the rollout plan. Contact us for rollout details today.